Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent monthly subscription. And I don't remember what it is this month. Card's way at the bottom. Here's our giant candle, Wild Sunflower. Let me take a whiff of that. Yeah, that smells pretty good. Oh, it's Kansas. Okay. Kansas is sunflower state. So you always get a postcard. I did not know they were the sunflower state, so that would be fitting. And then you always get a second item. The jewelry's in here. This time I got a candle and a tin, and it looks like they redid the tins. These are cute. So there's no jewelry in here, it's just an essential product, but there's jewelry in here and they did change it, so it may not be a ring, it could be a necklace or something else. And here is the sticker for our map with, of course, sunflowers on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there, and I'm gonna start burning this candle. I'll be back to show you what's inside.
And with the flowers.
Okay, so I was burning it and you could see the little package there. Luckily it's towards the top. I actually don't like the smell. It's a pretty strong floral. I thought it was going to be okay at first, but it bothered me. I came upstairs and I smelled it and I was like, nope. So I put on the warmer, but luckily I didn't have to really even need to do that. You can see it didn't melt very much. I wasn't sure where it was at, but it was at the top. So yeah, strong floral. And I am sensitive to strong floral smells. I just don't like them. I can only handle them in small dosages, so this feels really tiny. What is this? What do you think, Jackson? Do you like the smell?
Well, let me smell it.
There you go.
Flowers.
Yeah. Do you like it though, or is it too strong?
I kind of like. I kind of don't like it, and I kind of do.
It's all right.
Yeah.
PP36. I think that's our $40 code, and that's what it's supposed to be in this subscription. And this time we got a necklace.
So that's why it felt so little, because you felt that part.
It's a pretty purple stone. It is adjustable. Go ahead and clean up and just double check that code, and I will be right back. Okay, so here's a better view of it. It's a very pale purple stone. And yes, it did appraise for $40. I did have that right. I feel like maybe once I got something more valuable than that, but maybe not. Maybe they've always been $40. But it is adjustable. And yeah, all their necklaces are pretty neutral, and I feel like anybody could wear them, just like this one. So, not bad. That is what I got in my April subscription. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link below in case you want to get a subscription and join in the fun. And if not, subscribe and you can watch me see what I get every month. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.